Let's talk about why heat pumps are the ultimate choice for eco-friendly living. Heat pumps use electricity and transfer heat instead of burning fossil fuels, making them much greener. With high SEER and HSPF ratings, heat pumps deliver efficient heating and cooling year-round, reducing energy waste. Pair your heat pump with solar or wind power for a sustainable home. Ready to make the switch? Gutierrez Brothers HVAC has you covered with expert installations and NYS Clean Heat incentives. For more HVAC tips and informative videos, please follow us, like, and share this video.